guys, how are you doing? Welcome to a new delivery with me. Today we have a 2.5 hours delivery. Yeah. To be honest, I don't remember the price. Yeah, but anyway, the time right now it is 2 p.m. and the delivery is supposed to start 2 p.m. and it's gonna last, or it's gonna last until 5 p.m. because it is 2.5 hours. I'm on my way right now to Amazon warehouse to pick up my delivery, to pick up my blog. But first I need to start the journey to Amazon warehouse because I want, or for me, for once I arrive there, I want to be ready to collect my delivery. And by the way, the delivery is 57 pounds, 57.5 pounds. Hi.
How are you?
Good. You want my driving license? There it is.
Perfect.
2.5 hours.
What is it, sorry?
2.5 hours.
2.5, yeah.
Yeah.
Go on ahead. There's another one coming down.
Yeah, once you arrive, they are gonna make sure that you are the dedicated person for this delivery, and also they want to see your driver license because they want to make sure if your driver license is still valid or not. Anyway, stay with me to do this delivery. I have lots of junks here. Yeah, let's do the scanning so quickly. So stupid. hard, you know, like to put all those things inside. Very tiring, guys. A very big problem. I have a very big problem. I have a very big problem in the back of my car. I don't know if you see that, but it prevents me of seeing in the mirror here a very big box. Yeah. You come to Amazon to do deliveries, you always end up with some kind of trouble. Oh my god. Thankfully, that box wasn't heavy, because if it was heavy and that big, I wouldn't be able to even lift it up. I have to sort out these things a little bit. And I have to charge all of my electronics. I'm gonna use this power bank for the telephone, because I want to be able to use the telephone while I'm moving. And I have a wireless charger. I have a little problem with my telephone, to be honest, with my iPhone, that is not charging from the socket. Now I'm gonna take off this, and I also want to be able to charge up the other camera. I have to charge this camera. Now it is charging. If you see, there are two batteries here. One of them is 83%, so I wanted 100. So the 83% is this camera battery. The 100 is this camera, is this screen battery.
Navigation started. Parking towards A27.
Anyway, guys, I'm gonna see you.
Then turn left.
Oh, I didn't sort out the things in the back. Yeah, now I can see. Now I can see in this mirror, because before I wasn't able to see. Anyway, gonna see you later, guys, once I arrive to this delivery location. And also, it is around the previous area that I have delivered in, which is around Newry, the countryside of Newry. I don't know the place exactly, what is it called, but the countryside of Newry. A lovely place. I hope that I can finish so early. See you later, guys.